It's my frog eating a mouse. I chucked a mouse in there and it's eating a frog. And I chucked a mouse in and the frog's eating it. Look at that shit! Oh, it's still moving! Awesome. Oh, it's just going hard.
It's really good. Do you?
This is just awesome.
Look out! Get it!
A gummy. Oh god. Eat pineapple gummy?
Oh, I should have got you to give.
No. I'm gonna say no. Really? No, I do like gummy, but not my favourite. I enjoy more chocolate based.
I'm more of a gelatin-based treats guy myself, but I like bringing them together, you know? That gummy bear hugging the chocolate peanut thing. It's kind of my
Oh yes!
sweet snack.
You just wow.
Cool, Asa.
So much for coming in. We're gonna eat some more of these lollies.
It's so
While you guys
moving.
watch a music video.
Cool way.
Kimbra, I'm so excited. I'm gonna
Local
interview you.
yokel.
She's a local yokel. She hit off over the ditch to become
South Island? Oh.
No. Stewart Island. She's become pretty big in Australia actually.
Right, yeah.
She's a total babe. I'm gonna interview her and I'm gonna kind of freak her out with how much I love her.
Are you gonna make her eat wasabi?
Maybe. only when our friends like. Dom, thank you so much for being
Cool.
here.
See you next time.
See you next time. See you Dom next time. This time, snack review right now. Here's with Kimbra with Cameo Love.
This is non-stop, baby, you got me going crazy, you're heavier than I'm good. And I don't want no other, you're my cameo lover, only here for a moment or two. Stay inside that bubble with all of the trouble. You're a black hole, turn from the skies, dance with your demise. I'll be here when you go home.
Come and have a look, babe.
Mommy! I think it's cool!
Awesome.